I would describe the Bartlett Summer Show as a spectacle of creativity and talent, and a culmination of all the hard work that students have put into their projects throughout the year. The exhibition is an exploration of what architecture means to us, physically and spatially, but also its broader social and cultural impacts.
The depth that students have gone into in terms of their research, observational skills, using any technique, analogue and digital, to explore their mind's eye, whether it's seeing a site or exploring something that's unbuilt. There's a marriage of real technical depth to projects, where this integration across the teaching methods, this pedagogy which has got, I think, stronger and stronger, embedding history and theory and technology into the students' works, really shows in this year's show.
It's really great to see everyone's finished work, especially my friends, who I've seen their work develop from a small sketch on their desk to now a final beautiful image on a wall that people can properly appreciate. My project is sort of an experimental look at timber construction within a forest, and it entails the whole process of farming and milling and using timber, and how my project could use more elements of the tree within the building.
I feel really honoured to be part of the Bartlett Summer Show when I see everyone's work come together. Everyone is so amazing and there's such a variety of students' work, and I think it feels really there's a lot of pride in belonging to the school when you see it all come together at the end of the year.
What I learned about myself is to actually stay true to my roots, because coming from Indonesia, I can bring all this Indonesian architecture background to the Bartlett and just be confident on where I come from.
There's always room for improvement. There's always something new, and you can still learn. You can also just push yourself forward and obviously become more open-minded. There's new chances, new perspectives. So I think change, adaptation, it's the main things that I've learned while being here.
Seeing your work in a space where people can engage with it is really rewarding. Seeing an idea you had months ago really come to life at the summer show is a really satisfying process. When the work extends beyond the walls of the Bartlett, it's really exciting, especially when it brings people together and sparks a conversation.
What I found rewarding about the creative process is to actually see this old architecture translated into new ideas, a new typology with the help of the teachers and staff at the Bartlett. When I inject this computational analysis to this vernacular architecture, and I can see how this old typology become new and relevant to adapt in today's context.
My advice and encouragement would be to love what you do in the same way that you have done in your time at the Bartlett. Step forward into industry with that same love. Be unapologetically authentic. Be yourself. If you find, like I did, that there's nobody who looks like you in the school or in the profession, be that person who stands on stage, stands in front of the camera and becomes the inspirer, becomes the role model for future generations. I really believe that this is a generation that's going to make a change in architecture and change the profession.